Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm simply going to show you how to withdraw money from your Fanduel account to your Cash App within some seconds with help of your phone or your website. Now step-by-step guide to withdraw funds from Fanduel to Cash App. What you have to do is simply follow these steps one by one and you can do it. I'm showing you steps because I don't have an active account. So open the Cash App. Scroll to the services option on the home page and click under withdraw, tap on the Fanduel option. Enter your Fanduel account number and your Fanduel password, tap on the withdraw button, review the information related to your withdrawal, make sure everything is as you expected. Then click on the submit button. Now your money will be deposited into your bank account within 1 to 2 days. The amount of the time you will need to varies, but it is usually pretty fast and you will get it right away on your bank account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.